What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix Galaxy A56 screen flickering issue. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and scroll down and click on display, and if you turn on adaptive brightness, then turn it off. After turn off adaptive brightness, then go back to the main page of your settings and scroll down and click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, then go back and click on general management and then click on reset. Now click on reset all settings and then again click on reset settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.